In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your OakNorth online banking password. This process is crucial if you've forgotten your password or if you're having any trouble accessing your account. Let's get started and walk through the steps you'll need to follow on your web or desktop platform. First things first, open your web browser and head over to the OakNorth website. Navigating to the official website ensures you're in the right place and accessing a secure page. Once you're there, look for the Login button. This is usually prominently displayed on the home page. Click on that, and you'll see options for different types of accounts. Since we're dealing with a personal banking issue, choose the option labeled Personal. Now, because you don't remember your password or perhaps need a reset for security reasons, look for the Forgot Password link. It's typically located near or under the login form. Clicking on this link is the first step to initiating your password reset process. After clicking Forgot Password, you'll be guided to another page where you need to provide some necessary information. Here, you'll need to enter your account number and your email address. These details are vital as they help verify your identity. Double check that everything is correct before proceeding, and once you're sure, click the Send button. The next step is to check your email inbox. OakNorth will send you a password reset link, which is why providing the correct email is crucial. This email might take a few moments to arrive, and remember to check your spam or junk folders just in case it gets filtered there. Once you receive the email, open it and click on the password reset link. This action will redirect you to a secure page on the OakNorth website where you'll be able to create a new password. Follow any on-screen prompts carefully to ensure your password meets the necessary security requirements. Typically, these include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance security. After setting your new password, make sure to save it in a secure place or use a password manager for convenience and security. Having an easily retrievable password ensures you'll have a smooth login experience next time. And just like that, you've successfully reset your password and regained access to your OakNorth online banking account. I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful. Remember, keeping your account secure with a strong password is essential for protecting your personal and financial information. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.